How to get entire order for free on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your Temu account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you will find different options. Head towards this option of view. Now over here you will find different options. Go to this option on credits and free gifts. Open it. Now here you're gonna find tons of options. You have to select this one, hat trick gifts. Just tap on the option get now. Now from here you can pick 3 gifts for free. You can also search for the gift if you want to. At the top you can see this search box. Here I will be selecting this. Next one I will be selecting this smartwatch. And for the third gift I will be selecting this one watch. After you choose your free gifts, you can tap on this option of confirm. You can see this all free. From here, you will need to collect all cards to claim 3 free gifts. So tap on this option of collect. And here you can see that I got the first gift. For the second gift as well, you will need to get some energy. So click on this option of collect. And you can see that I got the second gift as well. For the third gift also, you will need some energy. So click on this option collect. I have got 2 gifts for free, and to collect third one I'll need to invite a new app user to Temu. I can do that. You will also get this kind of option and you can just invite any of your friends or family to Temu. With that you will be able to get entire order for free on Temu. You can use this social media platform to invite your friend to Temu, Messenger, WhatsApp, or you can use the message box likewise code. Over here you will find different options through which you can invite friend. And with that you will be good to go. So this is how you can get entire order for free on Temu. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.